If you want that lifted, elegant, romantic bridal vibe, this look is literally perfect. And also, I'll give a trick to you that makes this eyeshadow look so much more easier. And don't worry, we're doing this step by step together. Hey beauties, welcome back to Kim Beautyvers. Welcome to part 2 of our bridal eyeshadow series. And today we're creating a stunning V-shaped bridal eyeshadow look. It's soft, glamorous, and so timeless. So let's go for that. Okay beauties, we're starting with a tiny center line right on the lid. And for doing that, I take my brush and I take a little bit of my concealer so that I can draw it. And I look straight to the mirror and find the center of my lid. This is my center. You see that? I do the same for the other eye. It's nothing crazy. It's just a light guide so we know where to place everything. This helps balance the eyes because we're on the wedding day. We want the eyes matching. Not one saying I do and the other one saying I might. Next is even easier because you have the center line as your guide. From that center line, make 2 soft lines. And it is as if that you're writing a V shape. Or let's say that we're making 2 soft lines that angle outward toward the outer corner. This is the V. This is something that gives you that lifted bridal eye effect. And remember to do the both eyes at the same time. Now it's time to fill the outer corners. Let's say the outer corner and the inner corner. I dip brush in matte brown, and after taking my warm matte brown, I apply it to my outer corners. And don't worry about the lines because after applying the eyeshadow, they will be gone. I apply the same for the inner corner, or let's say the other corner. This is something that gives us the depth we want. I take the fluffy side of my brush and I blend whatever I did. This color actually acts as the contour. It shapes the eyes and also makes it look romantic and beautiful. But we're not done with the outer corner because I need to add darkness as usual. For the center, I want to use a metallic shade. This is the color I was talking about. You know, actually, I want to have a very light eyeshadow look. Because some brides love to be natural, right? I don't like exaggerated makeup looks, and this tutorial is totally perfect for them. And it's also perfect for everyone because everyone can use these tutorials, no matter they're a bride or not, can use this kind of eyeshadow look at anywhere. And as I said, I'm not done with the outer corner, so I want to add darkness to it. This is the dark shade I want to use for my outer corner. I take a very small amount and I place it right here. And I try to blend it in a circular motions. Now, the key is to blend everything seamlessly. So I take the fluffy side of my brush and I blend everything together. And I blend everything very smoothly. I don't push my hand or I don't try to drag everything so quickly. This is something that has to be done very much delicately. Time for the bridal glow moment. You can take your metallic champagne, rose gold, or whatever shimmer that you like. But I want to add highlighter. I want to add this highlighter to the center. I don't want to spread it anywhere. I just want to fix it at the center. This actually brightens up the eyes instantly. You see how easy it was? Whenever you hear the word bride, you think that, wow, it might be something extraordinary or something very much difficult. You see, even if you're a beginner, you can use this trick and have the most beautiful eyeshadow look. So as I said, blending is very much important, and if you know how to blend, you will have a very much professional eyeshadow look. It's true that these tricks are really helpful and makes everything easier for you, but if you practice before the real ceremony, I think it's better. So remember to avoid harsh lines as much as possible. If you learn and know how to blend, everyone thinks that you're so professional. And now if you want extra wow, add a touch of glitter at the center of your eyes. This is what I'm going to use. So this little sparkle helps a lot. Love this sparkly moments. This is the walking down the aisle while the sun hits you perfectly at this moment. Think it's over? No, it's not over, because we have a little thing to do, and that is making the eyes bigger and rounder by adding darkness to the lower lash line. And you can use any kind of soft browns, but remember, do not add a very deep brown because it might look disastrous. So I go back and forth and back and forth, and I try to come a little bit down as if my eyes are bigger. Here's the bridal eyeshadow look that I was talking about. Let's apply the liner and false lashes. I cannot wait to show you the final look. And this, beauties, is the final bridal V-shaped eyeshadow look. Soft, lifted, glamorous, and timeless. Exactly what every bride deserves. If you love this look, drop a heart in the comments. Tell me if you want part 3 too. And if you're new, hi, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss glam moments. And share this video to anyone that you think might need this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!